updates as we get closer to Friday. A winter storm watch is in effect. What? Heavy mixed precipitation possible. Plan on difficult travel conditions, including during the morning and evening commute on Friday. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches and ice accumulations of up to 0.2 of an inch are possible. Where? Portions of Middle Tennessee. When? From Friday morning through Friday evening. Additional details, significant reductions in visibility are possible. A winter storm watch means there is potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. Travel conditions, including during the morning and evening commute on Friday. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches and ice accumulations of up to 0.2 of an inch are possible. Where? Portions of Middle Tennessee. When? From Friday morning through Friday evening. Additional details, significant reductions in visibility are possible. A winter storm watch means there is potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts.